Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you still using a pepper grinder that takes forever to work and barely gives you a consistent grind? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to show you one of the best pepper grinders that not only looks premium, but also delivers true professional level performance. With just a few quick turns, you can get the perfect grind. Whether you want it fine or coarse, it's all in your control. What I really love is how easy and mess-free it is to use. It's smooth, efficient, and makes your everyday cooking feel so much easier and more enjoyable. So, if you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen tools and want to know if this grinder is actually worth your money, make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. Product links in the description box.
Number 5. Hexclad Hex Mill Pepper Grinder. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Hexclad Hex Mill Pepper Grinder, a professional-grade tool designed for performance, durability, and style. The powerhouse of pepper mills. Stop the never-ending slog of weak grinders. Hexclad's powerful pepper mill is built to last a lifetime and expertly engineered to deliver pepper like never before. Quickly, consistently, and perfectly with every twist. Unique burr grinder design. Inspired by high-end coffee grinders, the advanced burr mechanism ensures precise and uniform grinding. Calibrated for premium consistency, this mill enhances the natural aroma and flavor of freshly ground pepper, elevating every dish you prepare. 10 adjustable settings. Whether you need coarse granules for steaks and rubs or ultrafine powder for sauces and soups, this grinder gives you full control. Easily switch between 10 grind settings to achieve the perfect texture for any recipe. Clean and sleek. Designed with convenience in mind, the No-Mess bottom cap prevents pepper residue from spilling onto your table or countertop. The heavy-duty, solid milled aluminum body features a modern hexagonal design in a matte black finish, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Perfect for non-corrosive spices. To maintain its quality and longevity, this grinder is ideal for pepper and other non-corrosive spices. Avoid using salt. Number 4. Tamim Upgraded Larger Capacity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Upgrade your seasoning experience with a Tamim Upgraded Larger Capacity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, designed for convenience, performance, and modern style. Enhanced capacity. Enjoy the freedom to grind more with its larger chamber, holding up to 2.3 ounces, about 66 g of pepper at once. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a big family meal, this grinder set keeps up with your needs effortlessly. Rechargeable design. Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. This Tamim grinder set comes with a Type-C charging cable for fast and easy charging. A single charge can last up to a month with regular use, helping you save money while staying eco-friendly. Premium stainless steel. Built with high-quality stainless steel, these grinders are both durable and stylish. Their sleek design adds a modern touch to any kitchen or dining table, making them as attractive as they are functional. 5 adjustable grinding settings. Featuring a high-hardness ceramic grinding core, this set preserves the natural flavor and aroma of your spices. Choose from 5 coarseness levels to get the perfect texture for every dish, from fine powders to coarse granules. Deluxe gift box packaging. Beautifully packaged in an elegant gift box, this grinder set makes a perfect gift for weddings, birthdays, holidays, and special occasions your loved ones will truly appreciate. Number 3. Mankitchen Pepper Cannon Professional Grade. Take your seasoning to the next level with the Mankitchen Pepper Cannon, a professional-grade heavy-duty pepper mill engineered for unmatched speed and performance. Designed for serious home cooks and chefs alike, this powerhouse grinder delivers exceptional results every time. Up to 10x faster than top-rated pepper mills, it transforms your cooking routine by saving time without compromising on quality. Pepper your steak in 7 cranks instead of 70, thanks to its high-output design that produces more ground pepper with less effort. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a gourmet dish, this grinder keeps up with your pace effortlessly. Super wide grind range from cracked pepper to powder allows you to customize your seasoning perfectly. From coarse textures for steaks to fine powder for sauces, this mill does it all with precision. Built with an oversized bearing-supported drive shaft and high-carbon stainless steel burrs, it ensures durability, smooth operation, and consistent performance. The never-slip adjuster and superior consistency across grind range guarantee reliable results every time you grind. Refilling is simple with a quick-release top for easy refills, while the base cup for storage and one-handed peppering adds convenience to your kitchen routine. Crafted from a heavy-duty solid milled and anodized aluminum body, the pepper cannon is built to last and designed to impress. Number 2. Pepper Grinder Professional Grade. Upgrade your kitchen with this professional-grade heavy-duty pepper grinder, designed for faster, easier, and more efficient seasoning. Built to outperform standard mills, it grinds pepper 5 to 10 times faster, allowing you to season steaks and dishes in just a few smooth cranks. With an approximate 55 g, 2 ounces capacity, you'll refill less often while enjoying consistent, even grinding every time. Perfect for enhancing steaks, salads, spice rubs, and everyday meals with freshly ground flavor. Easily adjust the coarseness to suit any recipe using the bottom control knob. Whether you need coarse, bold granules or ultrafine powder, this grinder delivers precision effortlessly. The quick-release top design makes refilling simple and mess-free, while the built-in base cup keeps extra spices neatly stored and your countertop clean. Crafted from durable stainless steel and anodized aluminum, it features high-carbon steel burrs and a precision grinding core for smooth, clog-free performance. The ergonomic, textured non-slip design ensures a secure, comfortable grip during use. Ideal for black pepper and other non-corrosive spices, this refillable grinder is perfect for home cooks and professionals alike, making it a reliable kitchen essential or thoughtful gift.
Number 1.
External Adjustable Manual Pepper Grinder. Upgrade your kitchen experience with the External Adjustable Manual Pepper Grinder, a solid all-metal pepper mill crafted for precision and performance. Designed for high-speed, chef-level results, it delivers up to 10 times the output of standard grinders, letting you season meals in seconds. The stainless steel burr system, supported by dual precision bearings, ensures an ultra-smooth grind with consistent texture from fine to coarse, perfect for everyday cooking or gourmet dishes. Enjoy clean, instant control with the external adjustment ring. A simple rotation lets you switch grind size effortlessly, no disassembly, no mess, and no wasted spices. Whether you need fine powder for sauces or coarse flakes for grilling, this grinder gives you precise results every time. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this durable all-metal design resists moisture, corrosion, and accidental drops, ensuring long-lasting reliability. The magnetic chamber captures excess pepper to keep your countertop clean while preserving spice freshness. Refilling is quick and easy with the wide top-locking cover, and the included brush allows simple, water-free cleaning. Finished in elegant matte black, this grinder blends style with functionality, making it a perfect gift or a premium addition to any modern kitchen. To buy this product, go to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching this video.